Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to add checkbox in Excel. It's very simple and quite easy, so let's get started. So first we need to turn on developer option on the ribbon here. So how can we do it? Just right-click anywhere on the ribbon and then click on Customize the ribbon. And then on the left side here, click on Customize ribbon. Next, on the right side here, you will find the option, Developer. Just check this box to turn the developer option on, and then click on OK. Next, on the top, now our developer option is available. Just click on it, and you will find the option Insert here. Click on it, and here our checkbox. Select it, and then draw your checkbox on the sheet. You just copy it and paste it multiple times according to your needs. And that's it. Checkboxes are added successfully. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.